We had an increase of 100 patients who were being boarded in emergency departments after the Thanksgiving holiday because there's so little space in the hospitals.
The tripledemic of RSV, COVID-19, and the flu are showing no signs of letting up. Health officials say all three of these airborne viruses are highly contagious among children and adults. Dr. Paul Cieslak with the Oregon Health Authority has some concerns going into New Year's Eve. He says there are high rates of all three viruses right now. The big problem, hospitals are having a hard time keeping up.
24% of people who get tested for flu are positive, and about 8 to 12% of patients with COVID are testing positive for COVID. That's varying day to day a little bit. And in the most recent week, 11% of people tested for RSV are positive.
Dr. Cieslak is concerned that these positivity rates will increase after people gather for New Year's celebrations. He says when viruses hit the community, they also hit medical staff, which amounts to staffing shortages in a medical system that's already stretched to its limits.
The fact that all these patients are being boarded in emergency departments attests to the fact that we are out of hospital capacity. And if you go to an emergency department, you can expect to wait many, many hours unless you're critically ill.
Dr. Cieslak has some familiar advice that people can take to protect themselves and others.
Avoid large gatherings. I know that's hard to do around the holidays, but maybe have a quieter New Year's celebration. And if you're in an enclosed space with a lot of people, wear a mask.
Dr. Cieslak also urges people to stay home if they're sick and get up to date on your COVID vaccine and flu shots. Christelle?
Thanks for the update, Bryant.